How to save email as a PDF. So here is a quick and easy guide to save Gmail emails as a PDF. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open Gmail in your browser. So here we are in our Google web browser. Navigate to the Gmail. Now all you have to do is open the email you want to save. So let me just open the first email I've received here. So now once inside the email, all you have to do is click on the printer icon near the top right of the email. You can see there is printer icon available. Simply tap on the printer. Then once you tap on the printer option available there, you will be navigated to save this as a PDF. Just click save. And once you tap on the save, choose where to save the PDF on your computer. So I want to save my PDF on my desktop. So let me just do that first of all. And tap on the save button available there. Your email is now saved as a PDF file. So now let's simply tap on the PDF file we just saved. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.